Yo, Kristen, what is up? Eric Lake in the house. Oh yeah, doctor's appointment. Hope it all went well. Trader 007, what is up? 542, nice. It's a good day. That is a good day. Getting some feedback for some reason. Maybe that's better. Okay, there we go. Today was okay, yeah, so I'm kind of like in that rebuilding stage after going tilty last week, so it kind of sucks. Kind of doing that combine grind type deal, so. Oh, I have no idea. I don't know if anyone else knows. I've never used TradingView in my life. But I mean, you just look for it too. So when I use Project X, I mean, I know it's sweet to have an indicator, but so like when I use Project X, like Bulenox, I don't have any indicator and I just, look for it. Which kind of sucks, but hey, Stone, what is up? Stefan, Kernal. But yeah, I don't know if anyone else has the indicator or whatever for TradingView or a TradingView indicator. I know there's one for NinjaTrader. I've seen someone else use it before, another streamer, but yeah, no problem, man. Yeah, I wish. I mean, it's sweet. It's especially when it's streaming. It's sweet. Hey Rhonda, my Bulenox trading has been doing better. Oh yeah, nice, yeah. So I had a wicked hot streak with Bulenox going for a while, and I felt the same way. Like all my Bulenox accounts were having super good luck with them, and then Take Profit Trader, not so much. But that's awesome. Keep grinding. Past 250K Take Profit Trader evals. Let's go. Getting that pro. Let's do it. We are green, Dawood. We are green. I can check. I have Tradeify. Yeah, my Tradeify has updated. Kind of a wild day today. I felt, yeah, there's that crazy push, that little short squeeze, and then we put it in this harami and then just never looked back. Faked out on this inside bar here. First inside bar paid again today though. Here's the first inside bar. Pretty wide stop, but it definitely paid. Let's go, Vince. Get that get those daily payouts, man. Oh no. You got your TPT up 3,000, now you're down 3,000. So did the account blow? Ishmi, what is up? Design, what is happening? My Funny Futures took a hit, but still alive. Yeah, like I said, I'm rebuilding. It kind of sucks from last week. Yo, David, get your Top Step XFA to 3,000. Nice. Yeah, I passed a few, Trev. I passed a few Apex accounts today. Last Friday, I ended up getting a little tilty. I made a post about it. Blew up some accounts. So now I'm rebuilding. I'm on that combine grind. Do you only till if you can? I find any way when I'm on till, I'll find any ways possible to smoke accounts. Nothing stops me. Nothing gets in my way. Credit cards, beware. Credit cards, even credit card fraud management won't even stop me. Literally, they called me and was like, I think your credit card, I think we got some fraud going on. And I says, do you do regular business with My Funded Futures? I says, yeah. I go, just let it roll. No joke. That actually happened once. It's like the credit card companies like the margin call. But it's all good. It's such a low cost compared to like a. Yeah, today wasn't bad. Today it wasn't bad, but I definitely it's just rebuilding though. That's what sucks. Like I hate evaluation, but it's okay. It's all right. We'll do it. We'll grind it. We'll get some accounts built up. I did pass a few today. So, and then I'm gonna work on doing that copy trader. And then just try to like, you know, copy trade like the first inside bar and stuff until I can get a little bit settled down. Red candles in the house. Transunions, yeah. Exactly, Mr. Smith. Navy Federal called you, yeah. Oh, for sure. Like literally, like they stopped me one day. It was just like fraud. We suspect fraud. I'm like, no. I'm like, look at the history. And they're like, oh, okay. We see you do a lot of business with my funded futures. I said, yes. I'm like, all right, well, we'll let it go. Hey, Hitchman, what's up? So I had a good day today. I hope you guys had a good day. Traded this morning. Really got disappointed. I was short off this outside bar here and got smoked off it. I took the first inside bar. That was a very good play. That actually helped boost a lot of accounts and get them almost past. And yeah, this one kind of got me here a bit. I was going for a little bit too much. I was trying to go for like a 1-to-1 off it, and didn't get it. And then we got this big, huge Trump pump boost off something. I believe he was speaking at some point, and then we put in this Harami candle here. And boy, did it come crashing after that. So, kind of a wild day. Finished pretty much on his lows. So we'll see what happens tonight. Left all-time highs. All-time highs right there at 845 for NQ. I heard the NASDAQ indice broke all-time highs, but I'm not 100% sure about that. That's what someone told me. But NQ did not. So we'll see. We got a lot of news coming out next few days. So we got CPI tomorrow, and Thursday we got PPI, and then Friday we have University of Michigan consumer sentiment and core retail sales. So market's open, guys. Good luck. Good luck. Trump's talking to Intel. Oh, okay, maybe that's what it was. He said tariffs postponed. Hey, Jerry Trades, what's going on? Hey, Alan, what's happening? Good to see you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. Yeah, I do see. I see Trump was speaking to Intel. Had a very interesting meeting with Intel CEO. So that's kind of interesting. Corey, the phone trader, what is up? Thanks, man. Thanks for stopping in. Smash that like button, guys. Let's get those likes up. Let's let the YouTube algorithms know what is up. Boy, we are pumping. I'm gonna hop in this long here. I'm trading this eval. I'm gonna try to trade it pretty aggressively. See what happens. I'm gonna trade the micros. Please do not follow my trades. Jonathan Trades, what is going on? Oh, Destin? I heard Destin is a really nice place. That's awesome. How you liking it? I heard, yeah, Destin, Florida. I heard it's super nice. Little hidden gem, I guess. Good luck, John. John is short. I am long. Market definitely sold off today. Some, so we'll see. Destin, yeah. Bahamas, yeah, that's what I heard. I heard it was pretty awesome. Might get wrecked on this. So 15% off right now, My Funded Future resets, guys, if you use code PINE for this week. 5 uses per person, so pretty good deal. All in cost too. Which is about $63 or something. $65. Pretty sweet. Ooh, John. John's winning. John is short and he's winning. I'm full port. Yeah, it might drop. I'm thinking, yeah, ES is pushing down. What happened to my chart? Yeah, Cave Trader. So if you buy one account, then right after, it's for the resets. So it's 15% off the resets. So if you look at your old accounts, if you have any that need to be reset, I believe you can reset them for 15% off. So $65 for a 50K core account, which I might have to do here pretty soon if this doesn't pop back up. This is the hope and prayer setup. Not good. Hey, One Stop, what is up? ES and NQ both follow the same way. Sort of. Most of the time. A lot of times ES it can lead. So if you see the ES dumping and NQ is pumping, you gotta kind of like wonder whether or not like NQ is gonna continue to pump. You know. Hey, Pop Stop, what's going on, man? Shown in the house, what is up? What's going on, guys? Thanks for stopping in, hanging out with me tonight. Monday night. See if we can do some, do something. I'm doing something, killing this count, but kind of playing the smash or pass on it, to be honest with you. See if we can get a little lucky here. I like that that candle there. A little wannabe harami. $67.45, 67, 675 to 80. Vamos, yes, I will take that. Is there only know if TPG Pro account max resets of 3 times? Does it include eval? No, it's just for the Pro account, Stefan. It's just for the Pro account. What am I looking for a target? I was kind of looking for $1,500. It's kind of what I'm looking for, but so we start to get. I was kind of hoping it would go my way, like 669s, 75s, and then I would perhaps trail a stop, but it kind of immediately went against me. So it's kind of what I'm looking for. I'm looking to pass this account. So like 67, 70s would pass this account. Yeah, let's go, Stefan. Yeah. Mr. Lopez, yes, I am. I'm long, unfortunately. I'm underwater at the moment. You can see it right up here, or down here, or up here, or right here. I'm long 64, 645. One hour morning star is what I need. Yeah. Boy, I'm telling you what, for this location where I'm at, because I'm in one of my garages, that's a joke. I want a standing desk here too. I really love the standing desk now. I'm kind of addicted to it. Do squats, yeah. Inside bar in 1 minute. Biblical, have you been trading that? Inside bar on 1 minute chart? Why do I trade slow markets? For the stream. Yeah. To hang out with you guys. Oh, cool. Yeah. Let me know how it goes. Oh, cool. Yeah, I might change the camera on the other place. This is an eval, Joel. Oof, could have got out of that trade, but I don't know. Watching ES now. ES is pulling back as well. Rejected off that 6,400. See if we can hold that VWAP. The NQ. Smash those like buttons. Yes, thank you guys. Thank you, Fiber. Thank you, Eric. Yeah, I'm looking for a little pop, yeah, but so NVIDIA news, the Trump NVIDIA news. I'm surprised it actually didn't tank NVIDIA quicker during market open, but NVIDIA just says, we'll just pay him $3 billion or $20 billion or whatever the heck it was, something crazy. NVIDIA and AMD to pay U.S. government 15% of AI chip sales to China. So I thought that would probably be pretty negative on the markets. This is why I don't really trade news, but then we ended up getting that pump when the market opened this morning, and then supposedly Trump's talked to Intel too. So it's all about the chips, the chip makers for sure. kind of what's been running the NASDAQ. Doesn't he have an inside bar in 5 minutes? Is it equal? So, I don't know. I can check it here. So inside bars. So I don't really know. It's right now. It is turning out to be an inside bar right now on ES. Or this one actually is. Yeah, this one is an inside bar, but it is equal. Equal, I believe, does put it in an inside bar. Oof, we are just getting beaten down. This is not looking good. This is so embarrassing. I'm just kidding. I had a great day today. Anyways, I was getting to that. So I had a great day away from the screens. And went swimming, went and did some boating. It was fun. It was pretty hot today. Even hot for Maine. It was about 95 degrees or so, which is pretty warm. So went on the lake, went out on the lake, went swimming. Guys, I did a rookie boat move today. It was kind of funny. I did a wicked rookie move. Very uncaptain-like. Damn. Sorry, I'm just watching my trade. So, I went and I hopped on the boat. And, I went to start it. And, well, actually, I untied the boat from the dock, pushed myself out, and then it went to start it, and it wouldn't start. This is bad. And then the current started to take me down stream. And I couldn't get the boat to start, and then I ended up, before it smashed into the neighbor's boat, who also has a brand new boat, I had to jump out of the boat and swim. I had to swim the boat back to my dock. It was a very, very rookie move. It was very, very it was almost as embarrassing as this trade. And I did it sober, so that's even worse. Oh no, you accidentally locked your funded Bulenox out for the week? Nate? Holy cow. Post payout request, save the account. Hey. Should have been streaming, I know. Yeah, it was funny. So the reason why the boat wouldn't start, because the last person that took the boat out unhooked the battery. I had the battery disconnected. It's a brand new boat. And yeah, they disconnected the battery, so I was just like, oh. But like the current like took me so quick, and then like the neighbor's boat, also brand new boat, and I'm like about ready to smash into it, and so I bailed over the side. I'm like ripping I wasn't planning on going swimming, so I ripping my clothes off, jumped over the side, hooked onto the boat, swam back to the dock. Oh, it was funny. Yeah, I would have made a really funny video for sure. Yeah, as long as you had the plug-in fibs trade for sure. Yeah. Yep. Yep. It's a the boat. I'll show you what the boat is. I'll pull it up. This counter might be cooked here. This sucks. Hey, Jason Richardson, what's going on? And that's how I lost 1 Bitcoin. Yeah. Oh, that sucks, guys. Hey, Luna. Yeah, I did. I traded today, man. Yeah, it was a pretty good day. This is not good. Yeah, first inside bar, Luna. I took that one. That was a nice trade. But I can't. I'm full port. Well, account might be cooked here, ladies and gentlemen. Might just close it out. Hope is not a strategy. Okay, I don't know. I might close this out and just save it for CPI. See if I can save the account. Yeah, I'm just gonna close it. Yeah, I'm gonna close that. Unfortunately, yeah, that sucked. Whatever. Yeah, I'll just try to save that account. Tried to full port it, tried to pass it. That's paid the price on that one. Alright. Anyways, someone was asking about the boat. This was the boat. This is what it is right here. It's a Monterey 225 Merc. It's pretty sweet. It's so quiet. The boat. It's so quiet. Like you can run in like 50 miles an hour and then like have a conversation with someone. Never had a boat that was that quiet. Nick, you're a boat mechanic? Yeah. I needed you this afternoon when I was swimming. No. Sorry, I'll get back to the chat, guys. I was really distracted with my stupid trade there. Okay, good. For a minute I thought I was. For a minute I thought I had a. I reset that past account, but no. All right, I almost had a small heart attack. That really, really pissed me off. Let's see. Sorry, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm really distracted. Yeah, you gotta have insurance for sure. All right, Eric. Take it easy, man. Jason Richardson, what is going on? Nate's in the house. Luna's in the house. Now it's bouncing here. We'll wait for a. Let's see. Was that an inside bar? It was an inside bar. Very tight stop on this one. Boomer. Oh, so boomer trade. Yeah. So the very first inside bar I take, it's just that's a kind of a systematic strategy. But yes, I take inside bar breaks pretty much all day, like this one. Yep. Double inside bars. So the way I trade double inside bars is I like to take the break of the first one. That's how I like to take the double inside bars. See if we get a kind of a 1-to-1 out of this, but kind of already got it. But put in an outside bar here as well. Project execute out your trade? Oh no. You have a name for the 5-minute 3-bar setup? Cut you long? Yeah, that's kind of the way it is. I only had like $300 of drawdown. I know. It's kind of my luck sometimes, but. Alright, put in an inside bar long, or trigger here long. An outside bar, sorry. Trigger long. Rejecting off the VWAP though. Oh, he took. Oh, that's so weird. So it can break during the 5-minute candle. The 5-minute does not have to close. No. Yeah, I don't wait for the close. Biblical. I literally just take the break. Yep, as soon as it breaks these inside bars, I just take it. As soon as it breaks that, so like the high of that is 60, 20, 50, and I just take it. Yep, or if it breaks the low or whatever. I don't wait for the close. It's more like a scalp type. I'm in 5 micros, adding to this trade here off the break. So I'm in 1 mini, 5 micros off the break of the outside bar. Looking to get a push up through 637s. That's kind of what I'm hoping for. My stop's at the low. I'm in 1.5 minis. See what the ES is doing. We'll pull back on the ES as well. Just realized why I'm tilting so much. Yeah, if you have platform issues can send you on tilt for sure, NetBaba. That can trigger you for absolutely. Especially when it's things outside of your control. Yeah, I don't know. I haven't had that many issues with Project X, but I haven't really been trading them that much. With Bulenox, I only make a few trades, and Top Step, I don't really trade that much. So I'm usually just on the trade at 8, but I don't know. Is anyone else having issues with the Project X? I know they were having issues last week. Well, the outside bar didn't seem to pay. I guess I should have just taken it off that inside bar, but looks like we're gonna get stopped out here. Maybe we get a little lucky. Hey, Neo, what is up? You see my soft things? Yeah. It's funny. Maybe we hold that low. I don't know. Doesn't feel like it though. Currently long in my Top Step account as well. combine. Entry there, 618.25 on a combine. I think I might take off the micros, maybe. Taking off those micros. Just gonna leave the mini on. Stop at the low, 614.25. Took it off top step too. Hey, Spider Lily, what is up? Double O Kevin. Yeah, I hope so. I hope it's holds some support. So I'm basically, I'm long off the inside bar, but what I did is I added off that outside bar. I'm looking for the break, which it's still holding. This outside bar here, the low is still holding there. So it's still in play. I don't know. But we got the VWAP. I hate longing right into VWAP or shorting right into VWAP when it's, and that's exactly what it did. I know the VWAP is fake, but like literally came in just rejected big time right off it and then pushed right down. So got to get up through there. Oh, nice, Kevin. Good luck, sir. Big in golf, you need to punch the breeze through VWAP. Yeah, exactly, Trev. Exactly. Big black candle, 2 black candles at the bottom. I call it 2 weekend dudes. Yeah. Yeah. See if we can push up here. I really would like to add to this trade, but we're just getting no momentum. Hopefully we don't just come right here and just chop this VWAP range for the rest of the trading session. For my trading session. Yeah, exactly right, candles. And believe it or not, like institutions do use the VWAP. Daily, monthlies, weeklies. But yeah, if something's on so many people's charts, then it's gonna have a reaction to it, like the 9 EMA. You know, you watch it bounce that thing or reject that thing all day. You know. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, I put the VWAP on my chart when I started streaming. I told this story, but I never had it on there. I don't use it to really trade, but it does influence my trade sometimes. But I don't really use it to trade. Like I don't do like, oh, we're below the VWAP, I'm only looking for shorts, or above the VWAP, I'm only looking for longs, or things like that. But boy, the other day it came, we had a big push up. It came right back to the VWAP, 50% retracement of the daily, and bounced almost by the tick, and then just ripped. It was crazy. I don't remember what day that was, but it might have been this day. It pulled right out, came right back. It blasted off the opening drive, pulled right back, bounced right off the VWAP, and then just took off the rest of the day. It was kind of funny. I was like, pfft. Oh, nice design. Use the 50. Nice. Yeah, that's a good one. 50, 21, 9. 9's very common. 14. Some people use the 14. What's going on, Smokey? VWAP traders did win that day. And fib traders. I mean, it literally came like 50% exactly and then bounced. Yeah, design. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, the TPO chart. Definitely a good day for that. TPT, give me my pro. So Vince. Yeah, it's probably gonna be a little bit slow. Usually, it's usually around 10 o'clock Eastern time. You start to see the TPT start to update the dashboard. I wish it was faster, but it's just not. Especially when you're trying to get a payout. I've fallen asleep before I get my daily payout and wake up early in the morning and go, oh, and crack open the laptop and take my daily payout on Take Profit Trader and then go back to sleep. Yeah, Vince, for sure. Yeah, My Funded Futures, Tradeify, Top Step, their dashboards and stuff are right on point for the most part. Not sure about trade day. Another inside bar here. I'm gonna add to this trade. Stop at the low again. So I added 5 micros with the mini. There we go. There's the pop. Boy, I got a horrible fill on the micros there. Got a bad fill on the micros. I'm gonna take off the micros there. Trailing my stop now. So glad I stopped myself out at the bottom on the other account. Huh? But it was a bad trade. You know, it's definitely a bad trade, so. Smoke bear beam, bring the honey, yeah. I told yeah, Red Candle says, I told you. Yeah, we were too. We just swept that low and then. But I was like, oh, maybe I'll just save the account and then send it on Send it on CPI. See if I can save it. Alright, stopped out there. It's kind of trailing. We'll wait for the next setup. Beat up on that. Trade day, that's what's good. Oh, nice. You went long and opened the DCA. Yeah, power DCA, man, Brady. So DCA does work if your lungs are sized accordingly. I mean, if you're DCAing with minis, it's a little bit scary, but yeah, for sure. 99% win rate. Just don't take losses. That's the key. Let's see if we can bust up through 30s here, 630s. That's right, don't lose. For sure. Check out what gold's doing tonight. What's gold up to? I saw some gold headline. Wow. My funded futures on the ball tonight. I got my funded account here. When I passed today. They're on the ball. So what was that? 53 minutes after the market opened. Got the My Funded Futures account. Yeah, something like that. I just saw a headline. Trump says gold will not face tariffs. Trump says in social media post. Yeah, quite the rug pull in gold. So up 341 on the top step. Up 526 on the Tradeifys. Up 191 on the My Funded Futures. One of the core accounts. And down 1700 on the other one. Boy. Nice start to some, not a nice start to others. The core count, Vince. Yeah. Core counts. Hey, TCG, what is up? It's Mo, what is up? Good to see you guys. Ave White Boy, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Thomas, you got that computer, the mini PC? That's awesome. Yeah, it's been great. Yes, we have trades by Slade in the house. Let's see. I do. Kind of hesitating here. We're at 640s. I gotta shut this AC up. Hey, what's going on, man? Thanks for the sub. Appreciate it. I don't know why Tradeify doesn't get rid of the old accounts off from Tradeivate. It's kind of annoying. Yeah, let's go. Getting pretty close to 3,000 subs, so appreciate that, guys. If you haven't subbed already, please sub. Smash the like button if you can. You have to ask support to get rid of them for you. That's kind of a pain. You think their website's so good, you would think you would just be able to do it off the website. You live down in you lived down in Old Orchard Beach for a while? Oh, nice. 10,000? Yeah, that would be sweet. That would be sweet. I know, I got all these accounts, like, just piled up. These blown accounts. They've just been sitting here forever. Yeah, Old Orchard Beach is fun. I was just down there not too long ago. Had lunch on the pier. That's how they remind us how many counts we blew? Exactly. Yeah. Yeah, these ones, some of these are real old. Finance with Diego. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. To try trading at like 12 midnight till 2 a.m. Austin wants you to stay up all night. Trades by Slade. I think Trades by Slade's on the East Coast. I think he's down in the South. Nice pump up here. Having a little bit of the FOMO now. Paulo, thank you for the sub. I appreciate it. Getting a lot of subs tonight. Smash that like button too, guys. Pre-market's not a bad time. Like early in the morning, it's not a bad time. I know Luna's on. There's not that many people on early before the market opens. Hey, Sports Don, what is up? Yeah, he's gotten that a lot. Thomas Sabo, yeah, for sure. Coop. it's a different Tom Sabo. I thought for sure it was Tom Sabo, the YouTuber's alt name, but it's not. Methodical Man was filling in for Tom Sabo today. My Fun and Futures TV. That was kind of fun. I was in there trolling him a bit. Joom should fill it in. No sight of Joom yet. Joom is not around. Still. It's gonna have one of those Netflix documentaries on Joom. Hey, Peanut, thank you so much for the sub. Gold could pump. Yeah, gold. Man, gold's been really moving. Gold's been really moving. But boy, I cannot trade gold for nothing. Horrible at trading gold. I don't know. I don't know how to trade it. I look at the patterns and I get inside bars, maybe. First inside bar on gold. Could be an idea. That one paid today, first inside bar. That one paid really well. Worked again on the 8-8 Friday. That first inside bar. Oh, that one paid too. Big time. You'll have to back test it. Hey, Calvin Smith. What indicators do I use? So it's just the I just have the VWAP here, and then the I actually use the opening range, so the initial balance. But these right here are LDT inside outside bars, and it just highlights the 5-minute inside and outside bars. And then these dark purple candles are Harami candles. So Ed of the Woods Harami, one of our subscribers made this indicator, and I'll trade off those sometimes. Not so much lately. I've actually been paying more attention to the inside and outside bars for trades. Gold runs level to level. It's hard to chart over 3,400 M. But yeah, I just never spent much time trying to trade. But yeah, I didn't spend that much time trying to learn how to trade gold. I have traded gold many times and gotten wrecked. Or it's more of a boom or bust thing for me. Yeah, I wouldn't be a bit surprised, design. Footprint delta. Oh, I'm good. I'm good with my strats. My strategies is not the problem. Like this trade right here had nothing to do with my strategy. I actually didn't even have a strategy to trade. That's my problem. Is I end up trading outside of my strategies and then paying the price sometimes. Sometimes it pays off, but then sometimes I do something like that, and that's what ends up killing me. Because all I really needed to take was the inside bar along here, which I did take eventually, but I should have just waited for that, and then it would have paid good, you know, been up like 20 points right now. But yeah, that's kind of my issue. What I tried to do is I tried to take the breakout right at the open, and then I got smoked on that account. But yeah, it's all good. Used to trade gold and Dowd. I still trade YM every once in a while, but I am addicted to the NASDAQ. You trade ES? Yeah, I don't trade ES much. I look at ES occasionally when I'm trading NASDAQ to try to get a feel for the market, but you're short? Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Checking on some guys, sorry. Let's see. Where's our, how many likes we got going? 86? If you guys get those likes up to we got 207 people. If we get it up to 140 likes, I'll do a giveaway. Take Profit Trader account. Credit. 25K. Can we do it? How do I transfer it? I have to contact the Take Profit Trader, and then I email them with your email, your sign-in email for Take Profit Trader, and then they transfer it. Whew, a little outside bar here. We try for a little long, a little stab long here. Let me set a bracket up. Could pull back towards the VWAP though. It's a very cheap long. I'm gonna take it. Gonna look for a little 1-to-1. Yeah, smash that like button. Get 140 likes. I will do a giveaway, and we'll do that in about 30 minutes if we get there. Yeah, I'll give away a 25K. Actually, me redo that message. We'll do a moose race. I don't have my moose hat though. I guess we can still do the moose race. You guys gotta let me know how many likes they got. I can't really see. Let's see. 113 likes. Gotta get the 140. Let's go. We got 212 people watching. 212 people watching. Trying to take a little 1-to-1 off this little scalp off the outside bar here. Hey Joyce. I stream every night, Calvin. Yeah, every single night, Sunday through Thursday. And if I'm not streaming, I'm usually making content or on My Funded Futures TV, or I gotta do that I gotta fill out the Top Step TV application. Oh, I gotta fill out the calendar. I just gotta schedule. I'm supposed to go on Top Step TV too, but I haven't scheduled yet. I'm procrastinating it. I don't know why. Just kind of focusing on my own channel and trading. Yeah, I haven't put in the thing yet, guys. I haven't put in the the code. I haven't started the giveaway yet. We haven't hit 140 likes. It really does help out the YouTube algorithms. That's how you guys find me on the dashboards. Is the like button. So it's one of the reasons. That's why people always say smash the like button. Well, it's because it helps push out the channel. But yeah, we'll do a giveaway. We do some giveaways a couple times a week. I like to give away accounts. If I don't have any accounts to give away, I end up giving cash. I usually spend enough money on Take Profit Trader to get some free credits to give away for you guys. But yeah, then I end up I'll get some bonuses too. When you guys use my code PINE for Take Profit Trader, they give you account bonuses that I can use myself, and then I give them away to you guys. No, because so John, Take Profit Trader is actually one of the better ones for affiliates. They incentivize by giving out the free accounts. So once you hit certain levels, they give you free accounts to give out. All the other people, you have to ask them, and most of them say no. Like I asked Trade Day, they told me no. My Funded Futures has been pretty good. So like when I go on My Funded Futures TV, I don't get any payment or anything to go on. I look at it as a promotion for my channel, so I just do it. And then, but after I ask them for free accounts to give away to you guys. So that's usually what I do with My Funded Futures. Bulanox told me I can give away free accounts as long as I pay for them. This says you can give away accounts, but I have to pay for them. So I'm like, well, I would just rather give out cash with Bulanox, which is kind of funny. Yeah, so I was just like, I'll just do cash giveaway, which is kind of funny. Yeah. They're like you pay for them and then let us know who wins. I'm like, no, that's just like too many steps. I'll just do like a PayPal cash giveaway. Much easier. Put in another outside bar here. It's a little tricky spot. God, I might take this off. A dude on Kick gave away $500,000. Holy cow. Do we flip the switch here? I'm taking that trade off. That's crazy, J Stores. What's happening, J Stores? Good to see you, man. You're on a 1 second time frame? Holy cow, Calvin. Yeah, I know some people that trade pretty small time frames, but Coach Fred, who's on vacation, he's usually in here, but he trades on a small time frame too. We need one more like, guys. I'll start to run the giveaway. Thank you so much. Get that set up. Okay, now let's see. There, exclamation point pine in the chat, guys. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you so much for using my code and being here and supporting my channel, and it's been awesome. We'll run the giveaway here, 7:45. We'll do the moose race. Kind of thinking about flipping short here. It's cheap enough off the outside bar. Maybe a push back down into the VWAP, but man, the market is slow, guys. I'm short. Yeah, Rashad, all-time highs is very tricky to trade for sure, 100%. I feel like the more you trade it, like lately, I feel like we're kind of getting used to it, but it's definitely tricky. Gold's not doing much either. Life is good. Yeah, I'm here every night, 6 to 8 usually, sometimes longer. Sometimes I usually pop on a little bit earlier, Eastern time. Sometimes I pop on like 5:30 Eastern time, but so stay tuned this week too, and next week. We hit 3,000 subs. I want to do a nice giveaway. It's going to be pretty amazing. I'll try not to get emotional while I'm streaming that day. But I can't believe it. I can't believe how fast the channel is growing. But yeah, we're getting there. Yeah, for sure, Sports Dawn, yeah. Don't cry, no. Yeah, thanks, Joan, for sure. Oh, life is good, dude. I am the biggest fan of all the streamers, man. Yeah, I watch all kinds of people. You guys will find me usually hanging out on Methodical Man's channel in the mornings. My Funded Futures. Hanging out with Terry Trades 100. I'll hop on Luna, you know, Trades by Slade, whoever's on. Alpine, Nutty. There's plenty. I forget. I'll jump on Red Candles. Oh, I can't forget my other Asian sesh. Bunny, the king of Asia, Stock Tiger. I'm usually hanging out with him. Wesley, hanging out with them. Oh yeah, Jay, yeah, Sports Dawn for sure, yeah. Yeah, Jay. Coming down to retest that VWAP. All right, I'm out. Nice little flip the switch there. I went long off that outside bar. I didn't like it. We put in that once we put in this outside bar, and then I just flipped the switch down to looking to test that VWAP. Looks like we kind of busted through that VWAP too. Wow. Yeah, Cove. Cove, Jay, yeah, sure. Apex don't pay their traders. That's right. I bought some Apex accounts today. I'm looking to copy trade them on with that trade sinker. I'm looking to give that another run. You guys see that Tradeify is coming out with their own copy trader, and that you can use, you can multi-prop with it supposedly. So they're working on that. So I guess my way in against my way out. Yeah. Hey Thumper, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Very Dades, thank you. What's going on? Hi. How's it going? What happened? Nothing, Jordan. I actually liked it. I just kind of went tilty and lost a bunch of funded accounts. So I was like, I really gotta build up my funded accounts one at a time, and then I want to copy trade them on the funded. I guess I could trade them with the. I guess I could trade them all, even with the evaluations. But yeah, just. Shoe TV. But yeah, is anyone else out there using Trade Sinker? No, I didn't have any issues when I tried it, but I really didn't run it through its paces though, Jordan, to be honest with you. You tried it, Bowser? Did anyone have any issues with them? You guys having issues? I know, I don't know if Nate's still listening, but Nate was using it for a while. Super easy to use. How much is Trade Sinker? It's not that cheap. But so you can have $49 a month for 2 connections, 10 here, I'll show you. So it's 2 accounts, 2 connections, 10 accounts per connection. $49 a month. Or you can have 4 connections, meaning like 4 different prop firms, and then 20 accounts per connection. Or you can have the one for $149. You can have unlimited connections and up to 120 accounts. So not the cheapest, but hopefully it pays for itself, right? Little slippage, yeah. I'd expect a little bit of slippage for sure. Wow. Nice movement there. Swept below the VWAP, got bought right back up. Exclamation point pine in the chat. I'll give away 25K. Take profit trader credit for you guys. Keep in mind with the credits, you know, you will have to pay activation fee if you pass it, but you do get the credit, you know, to try to pass it, which is free. So basically get a free shot. Nice little bounce off the VWAP. Yeah, we could finesse this. Watch decount. Really? That's Thumper is across like 9,800 MNQs. Is that across multiple prop firms or like real money? Or I have questions now. Because you definitely can't trade 9,800 MNQs on a personal account, because it's a the CME would not like that. Over 50 million in his account? Holy cow. So the CME has, like, I could be completely wrong with this, but the CME does have rules about trading micros like that kind of size. So I kind of question it a little bit, but maybe. I don't know. I mean, you can be a large lot trader, but when you start putting on that much size, the way they look at it, you know, it's kind of like market manipulation. If you start throwing up, like on MNQ, you start throwing up like big, large lots, then the market's gonna like gravitate towards those. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know, maybe. It's all good. That seems like quite entertaining. 9,800. What's the YouTube? D Crown. It's a design says I just called the cows. This guy right here. All right, testing that VWAP. I'll check him out. Yeah, I see him printing on the lots. You see this, guys? Look at this. Look at these. Look at these lots on there. This guy is the mean reversion king. This guy's putting Brian Watt to shame. Poor Brian. $353 on. I see he has a take profit trader account. I don't know. I don't know if it's real or not. It's hard to tell. It's a Ninja Trader account, but it's no account number. It's just hard to tell. Kind of crazy though. But cool. Hey Max, Barak. I have no idea. This is so I have to make playlists from the yeah, Sufia. I have to make a playlist from a non-copyright website. So then it's just like a bunch of non-copyrighted songs. So I had no idea. JJCT38, thank you so much for the sub. Where we at, guys? Just waiting for another trade here. So about 5 minutes or so, we'll do the moose race. 5-10 minutes. JD54, yeah. So I almost have how many trade days do I have almost passed? I have a bunch almost passed, JD. Eagle Eyes, what is going on? I really want to start getting daily payouts with trade day. That's kind of my thing lately. It's been my mission. Yeah, so I got 3 accounts that I'm working on with Trade Day. If you guys are interested in Trade Day, still have a really good deal going on. You guys can use code PINE with a capital P. Oh, we're just chopping the VWAP here. So Pine with a capital P with Trade Day. Intraday accounts $59.40 all in cost. So that's all in. The end of day accounts $99, $165, $225, but you can get daily payouts with these accounts. And then they have static accounts, $90, $150, $210. So if you guys are interested in Trade Day, I have 3 of them that I'm working on right now. Evals. I have the end of day 50Ks. And I almost got them passed. So it'd be nice to have those end of day accounts, daily payout accounts for the end of day. So one nice day on those accounts, and they should pay for themselves. You working on one too, Chris? Yeah, they're so intraday means extraordinary cave trader is kind of like that's the way Apex works. So the best way to describe it is that say intraday. So say you're in a trade. So say I hopped in a trade right here, and I have $2,000 drawdown. So it's a 50K account. I have $2,000 drawdown, and then I hop in a trade, and it goes up $2,000 on that trade, and it comes back to my entry point, so break even. I blow the account because it trails your intraday. Oh, cool, Thumper. Yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah. I wasn't trying to. I mean, when someone says they're trading like 9,800 MNQs, it's kind of question these things, but it's all good. He's probably a really good trader. There's definitely lots of good traders out there. Sports Dawn, you passed 3 trade days accounts today. Oh, let's go. Oh, you flipped them, so we should see. Yeah, we shall see. Yeah, I haven't needed to flip yet. Tomorrow I should be over the buffer, or the profit target. So we'll see. The 5K rule, JD54. So when you hit $1,000 on the account, I guess that's kind of their cap for the account. You're supposed to let them know so that way they can evaluate you for live, from what I hear. It's one of those weird rules. It's one of their only weird rules that I see. So yeah, once you hit 5K in the account, you're supposed to let them know. Yep, 30% consistency too. Rules for sim funded, just don't hit the drawdown. Percent, I believe. I don't think they have any major rules, but like $52,000 account or $50,000 account, get it over $2,000, and anything over $2,000 take daily payouts. Yeah, Kyle, I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Yeah, you can. You can copy trade live. Yep, as long as you're going in the same direction. My thoughts on switching to a live account? Nowadays it's not too bad. I think that some of these prop firms have offered some pretty good incentives. I've only been live with 2, Top Step and Take Profit Trader, and at the times when I went live with either one of those, they didn't offer any incentive whatsoever. When you went live with Take Profit Trader, it was essentially just starting over. Now it's different. They have 90-10 split, which is nice. You don't have to get over the buffer again, I believe. They start you off with a buffer. So yeah, definitely some incentives. Some of the other ones, Tradeify, I know has some incentives now. So besides that, like really, like the whole going live versus staying on sim funded, like it really doesn't matter to me so much, as long as the sim funded checks keep cashing, as long as you can keep getting those payouts and the daily payouts and things like that, they hit the bank just fine. Not much difference. Oh, for sure, Cave Trader. Yeah, it's best to look over the rules, but it's the weird rules, that you gotta look for. And most of the major prop firms don't have the weird rules. It's some of the newer ones that have weird rules that so that way they can deny payouts, which, you know, you're seeing with some of the other ones, like the 20-second rule and stuff. It's funny, like Top Step was the worst. They had these hard breach rules, like 20-second rule, and they had some weird ones back in the day. Now they're good, you know, much better, but much better. But yeah, but like Take Profit Trader is by far like my favorite prop firm. They don't. Once you're funded, the only thing I don't like is that they go intraday trailing with the pro account, which kind of sucks. Take Profit Trader, but you never hear anything as long as you don't hedge the accounts. You're fine. I mean, you can put on as many micros as they'll allow. DCA. You can go in a drawdown. You can throw on five minis. And then take it off, and then put on a few micros to build up the payout. And back in the day, what prop firm was the best? So in 2021, I traded with Top Step. 2021. That's who I was trading with. I've never traded with Prop Shop. I don't know anything about them, Thumper. No. All right, guys. I'm gonna start to do the giveaway. Exclamation point Pine in the chat. So yeah, I guess there is some Top Step X issues, but Juvia, yeah. To pass a Top Step account back then was insane. You had to trade the account for like 14 days. Like, we bitch about 7 now. I mean, it was insane trying to pass those accounts. And they were expensive. They're like 400 something bucks for a Top Step account back in 2021. It was like, really, we're in like the golden age. Yeah, golden age. The personal prop firm, yeah, for sure, his royal trades. If you have the discipline, absolutely. So 50K core, 1,000. So yeah, no, that's, yeah. So here's the way it works. For my funded future, real quick, guys, and we'll do the giveaway. So my funded futures, like the core account, it's capped at $1,000 payout, right? And then, but you can build a pretty nice buffer. So you can build a nice buffer because there's no consistency rule. So let's say you caught the trend down today, and you made $2,000, $2,500 on that mini. You caught 100 points, or more. You can build up that buffer now, so there's no consistency rule, and then you can just kind of make $100 for the next 4 days, and then take out $1,000, and then repeat, and then keep doing it. And if you do it with 5 copy traded accounts, that's still a nice payout over and over. So I used to do it with the starter accounts. It was a $1,200 cap payout, but it was only 3 accounts. So I used to earn and burn them. I'd make $3,600, or I get $3,600 payouts, across the 3. So 1,200 times 3, and then I would earn and burn them. So there was times where I had 3 accounts, my funded futures. I'd make $1,300, right? Because you got to leave $100, so 50,100. So I'd make $1,300, and then I'd take out a $1,200 payout, and it'd be $3,600, and it would burn the accounts, and then I'd just buy 3 more accounts. That's what I was doing. But yeah, so then the scale of the pro, the payouts increase as you get a payout, and then the pro account is kind of uncapped in a way. So it's more like a Top Step or whatever. But yeah, a lot of these firms are capping payouts, so to protect themselves. Traders are getting better, in my opinion. The payouts every 10 days, I agree. Yeah, Ben. Yeah, it is. Once a week. But they've been solid. They've definitely been solid for me as far as payouts are concerned. I've had a nice run with the Belanox. It was kind of like, they were kind of like my kryptonite for a while. But then I've been taking out lots of payouts with them, so. But yeah, that's why I prefer the take profit trader guys or the trade days. I've yet to get a trade day payout, but you will see that by the end of the year. I will get the trade day payouts. Take profit trader has been the daily payouts for me have been a game changer. I currently have no pro accounts. I did blow them. So I am working on building up some more take profit traders, but the daily payouts are definitely a game changer. Yeah, Ben, that happens for sure. All right, let me get the stopwatch. Exclamation point in the chat. You guys, just a minute. I'm getting it set up here now. We'll do the moose race. Must be present to win. 25K take profit trader account. Stay tuned in the near future. We're gonna do some more giveaways. Keep using my code PINE, take profit trader, and then hopefully I'll get some more accounts to give away. Plus I want to do a giveaway for 3,000 subs, which will be awesome. Alright, let's get this moose race set up. Alright guys. I'm gonna fire up the moose race here. Good luck, everyone. You guys ready? Good luck. Bruce Lee on the outside. You don't want to be in the lead to start, usually. This is for a 25K take profit trader credit. Thank you so much for using my code PINE. Thank you so much for being here and smashing the like button every single night. Thank you for being here even when I'm tilty. The good and the bad and the ugly. It makes it go faster, Ben Davison. It makes it go faster. Who is it? First I gotta shut that music off. Candle. Apostle. Are you here? Candle Apostle is here. Congratulations. Let's go. There's the Discord too, guys, if you want to join the Discord. Candle Apostle, are you in the Discord? You don't have to be, but it makes it easier for me to get a hold of you. If not, then Sherry's on delay. Yeah. Thanks, His Royal Trades. Appreciate you, man. Thanks for being here. Oh, that's why you lost, Ben. No, it's fake. The ones, it's for fun. It's a scam, for sure. RT Trades, what's happening? Got Tokyo Open here in about 10 seconds, guys. Tokyo Open. Candle Apostle, are you in the Discord at all? You in my Discord? That way I can DM you. Or we can do it another way too. Through email or whatever, but all right, Tokyo Open, guys. Let's see what happens. Oh, nice, RT. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed to me on X, I'm on X too, Pine Tree Trader. Almost to 783 followers. I am verified. Hey, John DeFore, thanks so much for hanging out. Appreciate you. Yeah, we have a lot of lurkers. It's awesome. I figured there's only about maybe 10% or less that actually chat. So it's all good. I love the lurkers too. All right, JD54, take it easy, man. I'm kind of waiting for Candle Apostle to message me here. Or let me know if he's... You trade 2% of your account. Oh yeah. So, well, what I was talking about Thumper is that they have. So CME has contract limits. Don't ask me how I know. Thanks, Sports Don. Thanks for being here. So if you look at the contract limits here, oops, these are from the CME. See if I can find it. So here's the micro NASDAQ. So this is the MNQ. So the micro NASDAQ. And so they have a reporting level of 25. So here's the reporting level. So anything over like 25 lots, they report. It has to get reported. That's why I was. Many people don't know that even if you don't trade prop firms, you still have rules that you have to follow. There's rules. People lurking trying to hide the Bluetooth streaming in the ear during the family dinner. That's awesome. Yeah, so many people trade or driving, working, and whatever, and it's awesome. Hanging out, listening, lurking. Do I trade New York? Yes, I do. RT trade. Yeah, I trade New York for sure. I don't stream usually during New York, but yeah, definitely trade. So I don't know what happened to Mr. Candle. Disappeared. Yeah, definitely no consistency rule, and definitely no intraday trailing drawdown, Pegasus. Yeah, for sure, but they do have a large lot trader Thumper that you have to, fill out a form or whatever they call large lots traders. Good night, Donna. Good night. Candle Apostle won, and he was here, he claimed it, he got excited, and then passed out. I lost him. That's alright, we'll take care of him. When he gets, he'll be back, I'm sure tomorrow, whatever. He was here, he claimed it, and then hopefully everything's alright. Hopefully he didn't drive off the road or something crazy, trying to email me. But we'll figure it out. Currently RT trades. Currently I have, believe it or not, I've been using Robinhood, but I haven't been trading futures that much on it. Mostly options. Yo, Jim, I am here. That's right. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it there. I'm gonna go eat some dinner. Smash the like button on your way in. Thank you for being here. I will be here again tomorrow Same time, same place. Wish the trading went a little bit better, but not too bad. Not too bad at trading. So yeah, up 500 on the Tradeify accounts, up 383 on the Top Step account, up 276 on the My Funded Future core account, and then down 1700 on this core account, which that one hurt. So, but yeah, so I appreciate you guys. Use code PINE for all your prop firm needs. Help support the channel. I really really can't thank you guys enough for using my code with My Funded Futures, Bulanox, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Trade Day. You have to use PINE with a capital P, and then Tradeify, guys. It took me like 6 or 7 months to get a Tradeify code, but you can use code PINE for Tradeify now. So I appreciate that, guys. But yeah, Take Profit Trader, my favorite prop firm, PINE, all caps. So yeah, let's do it again tomorrow. Appreciate the support, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget to trade the inside bar tomorrow morning. Win or loss, we gotta do it. Let's go. See you guys.